Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It's a wonderful dream to drive the best cars or sit in a bullet train or have a motor metros rides or luxury buses. But do you ever think how the vehicles are so comfortable? Now they are traveling the speed of bullets. Journey makes enjoyable, but we also wonder why and how these cars and trains are running. How the buses are so cool and comfortable. But nowadays, the price of the petrol and diesels worries because it crosses the cost of 100 rupees per liter. Then what is the solution? What is the second option? We must go for electrical cars or solar cars. These cars does not require petrol or diesel. Things it is very easy, and we may question that how the drivers sitting inside the cars turn the wheels so fast and so comfortably, and how it happens, how the vehicle carries so big loads, how the cars not only go forward but comes backward too. We may have question how the remote car works, what are the companies which are best in manufacturing the cars. If we wish to start a factory, how we go about? How the school buses are so sleek, soft, and so lovely looking? What are the gears? What are the reverse and forward mechanism? Why the cars have number plates? How we can improve the car mechanism by making the car flying or when we're stuck in the traffic? Why do we need a license to drive the car? If you want to buy a car, what are the criteria to check? What is the cost of a car or a bus? What are the main components of a car? Which field of engineering leads to study to be have a future in automobile? To get the answers of these questions, you need to become an engineer in the field of automobile after 12th standard. Or otherwise, inshallah, if you sincerely do this project of reverse and forward car and dynamic kits, you will get the answers of 50% and more questions what raise in your mind. So let's we start. Open the box. It has three cardboard shapes vehicles. A is a car, red color, yellow color bus, and then you find a bullet train. Number three, it has a reverse and forward switch. Number four, four wheels and axle is there. Number five, frame link. Number six, fasteners and screwdrivers. Number seven, electric motor and battery. Number eight, switch. Number nine, circuit. Please do not mix the dynamic kit. How you go about join the frame link is known as chassis like this. Assemble the wheels. Number three, pulley and belt mechanism connection is like this. Number four, connect the circuit like this. Number five, fold and hold the bodies like this. Number eight, keep it on the chassis. And number nine, connect the switch and on the switch. This car is run by electricity supplied by the electrical battery. Cars can be reversed and forward by reverse and forward gears, but here by reversing the rotation of the motor. Companies which are famous in manufacturing the cars are Tata Motors, Maruti Cars, Hyundai, Ashok Leyland, etc. If you wish to start a car company, at least complete an automobile engineering course and get 2 years experience in any of the automobile factory. School buses have shock-ups as they are very comfortable. Gears is a two wheel engage with each other to transform the motion. Number plates on the vehicles are mandatory by law of the land for identification. Flying and floating cars are not only dream, but dream comes true. Just struggle to have a solar car to reduce the fuel cost. You may add air conditioned fridge in cars or make the cars which may convert into luxury rooms during the traveling. If you want to buy a car, you must check the mileage, how much it is giving per liter. Then you must check the parking, skills requirement and conditions. A new car may cost from 4 lakh to 25 lakh rupees, and a new bus may cost from 12 lakh to 48 lakh rupees. GST is applicable. Main components of a vehicle is chassis. Number two is main body. Number three, wheels. Number four, engines. Number five, carburetor. Number six, fuel tank. Number seven, gears. Number eight, seats, etc. Automobile engineering is a beneficial for you if you choose your career in auto engineering. You must remember the dua during traveling. Alhamdulillah, Subhanallazi sakhara lana hada wa ma kunna lahu muqrinina wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Always help the poor and old women and men while you are traveling and give them lifts. Please do not dream to have a small garage or have a cars, but dream to become the owner and the businessman like Abdul Rahman ibn Auf or Usman ibn Affan, and should have the factories like Tata Motors and Hyundai. May Allah helps you. If you dream high, inshallah you will be successful. Now see the dynamo kit. Dynamo is a device which is used to generate the electricity from mechanical energy. Especially it converts wind forces to generate free electricity. Suppose you have been missed in a jungle where no electricity is available and your phone battery is zero. But if you have a dynamo kit, you may charge your mobile even without electricity. A dynamo has three main components: a motor, a fan, and a terminal. If wind blows the fan rotates, and hence by rotation, the motor generates the electricity which shows by the bulb lightened at the terminal. If your bulb did not enlighten, just change the poles. Use the dynamo kit in the bicycle also to generate the electricity for your cycle. May Allah helps you to understand these projects. These projects are small, but if you work hard, you understand the phenomenon behind this. Inshallah, it will be very helpful for your future studies. May Allah help you. May Allah make you good businessman, a good engineer, a good doctor, and may Allah make you successful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.